Welcome back, developers. My name is David, and in this video I will show you how to install vMenu. If you're using Airnode Hosting, go to panel.airnode.nl, then log in and go to manage server, and then go to settings and then launch your SFTP. Put in the password you made for your panel account, and then go to your server folder, and from here now on it is the same for everybody. You wanna download vMenu by searching vMenu. It should be a GitHub. Click on that GitHub, then go to releases, scroll down, and then vMenu, and then save, then open the folder, extract the files, open the folder up, and up your WinSCP, and go into config in the other folder, and then drag permissions.cfg, and then delete it in this folder. Then go back in that folder, and then go into resources, then create a new folder and call it scripts. Make sure you have these brackets. Create a new folder and call it menus, and then in there you will create a new folder and call it vMenu, and then in vMenu you want to drop all of this. Now you are done. We will change a few things in our permissions of CFG. So I'm going to change my current key to open the menu because it's M, and M I use for my my phone, my QB phone. And now let's look for FiveM key codes, and then you should see the stocks. Search for F3 in this instance, and then it should be 170. This is how I'm going to open my menu, and then close all of that, and then copy the name permissions.cfg, go into server.cfg, and then type in ensure vMenu, and then exec permissions.cfg, save the file, close all of it, and then restart your FiveM server, and I'll be back when it's done restarting. Alrighty, I've loaded into my FiveM server. Now let's press F3 and I have vMenu. Of course, I have more permissions than other people because I'm the server owner. Normal people don't have, obviously, permission to ban people and stuff. And yeah, this is how you install vMenu. Thank you for watching and have a great day.